Hey there, folks. I'm Shizanara. My YouTube channel has lots of different things: gaming, rapping, dancing, live virtual reality DJing, even a tutorial or so. Just a mix of things I've done over the years and will keep doing. I want to create some new content by offering myself to help you. So, if you need tech support, help with streaming, video production, editing, graphical effects for your stream or videos, music, anything digital media or electronic, hardware or software, whether you want to how or have me create for you or work together on it. You can drop a post here on YouTube in a comment, thread, or to my Discord server, or email sizhelpme@gmail.com. Then we'll get a good time to hook up and go live on my channel, unless I can assist you or help you during a live stream, which will make a video and post it later in the step-by-step process of what we did to get you situations taken care of or whatever created for you or whatever it may be. Want to create a library of content showcasing how-tos and all that using free and open source software wherever possible. Free is king. And have some fun while we're at it. I will do all these things for you free of charge, but will gladly accept any donation if you wish to honor me as so. We'll utilize Discord for communication, video streaming, chatting, while we are one-on-one on your issue or request. I know I can help a lot of people out there, nothing too big or small. So, what can Shizanara do for you? I'll let your boy. I got you.